YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and today is a nice, bright, sunny day. And we're taking advantage of this gorgeous weather. We have all of the windows open and the last couple of days we've spent working with the kids on getting some of their handmade Christmas gifts ready, doing a little more decorating around the house, and just really getting into the Christmas spirit, getting the house clean for the holidays. Lots of behind the scenes stuff that, you know, we just really have to get done this time of year. So it's really nice to just get it all finished and then have the next week or two to keep working on content and get ready for the holidays. But today we want to get a little more work done in the boys' bedrooms. We've been working on this upstairs fixer-upper home makeover and it's been so rewarding. The boys are absolutely loving their new bedrooms. We're finding that they don't even want to go anywhere else in the house and we have to come looking for them up here. They're loving their new beds and the things that are in the room. And we don't even have all their stuff back yet into their bedroom. So this is just that they're loving their beds and everything that we've done. So today we have holes to fill, more walls to paint. I want to get some of the decor shelving and storage back into the boys' bedrooms. So we have a lot of work to do, including getting doors back on, trim back on. Philip's gonna get working into the closet space. So much still to do up in these spaces, but we've got to get it done. So let's go do it. So this is where Chase's bookshelves were, but because we have his new fishing hut here, this is not an ideal place to have a bookshelf. So I'm getting all of the old screws out of the wall. Woo! So we can putty all the holes and get these areas painted fresh. And I want to repair the area where his workstation was too, since that left that wall in pretty rough condition. Getting that ripped out because that's going to be his new Lego area, building area.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever.
Hey, hon.
I'm under Chase's undercubby and I'm looking for white 2-brick flat Lego strips. I have an idea for something for Chase's Lego area. But I need to search in here and find as many.
Chase has so many Lego creations that are built that he just wants to display.
And he wants to display all of his characters. He likes to put together all of the little weapons and accessories that come with them and have them stay like that. But then when they get thrown into a bin, it's hard to find them or they break apart. So he wants something that he can put in his room where his men can stand. And so I thought, I have a really good idea, but I need to find a bunch of these flat pieces. And then he also wants some shelves where he can actually have his completed sets built. So I'm searching, but we have so much Lego. And I don't want to get this all out in case you're wondering why I'm doing this in the closet.
Right.
So I'm trying to do this without him knowing. So if I start getting Lego out, I'll give myself away. I have to find a couple more of those, of that green. So I'm gonna do light green, medium green, dark green. On one I'm gonna do like white, gray, and blue for more like wintry characters. And then I'm gonna do one with the different shades of tans and browns and black for more like earth characters. That's my plan. Like water, earth, ground. All right, so I need a few more pieces for that one. This one I'll do the earth characters because we don't have as many snow and water characters for this one. So I'm just short a couple pieces of the light gray and this caramely tan color, which I think is a really neat earth color. So I want to dig back in the Lego bins and see if I can find some of these. My plan is to use my Gorilla super glue to be able to put these onto the shelves, and then his little Lego men can stand on the bricks. That way they won't fall off if they get knocked, because they'll be actually clipped into the little circles on top where their feet go in. I think this is super cute, and I like that I have different types of ground because he will love that, because he's a kid who loves to organize everything. So I think he'll love that. Okay, I'm on the hunt. Light gray, caramel. Just got done hanging up the shelves, and I actually decided with Philip that we would bring this table that Philip got me to actually put into the studio space that mechanically moves up and down up into Chase's room. I've been using it just to put some supplies on up here, and I think it's the perfect table for the boys to build Lego at. They're always building Lego, and since this table goes up and down, they can either sit or stand at it when I find the right chairs for this space. And I know that the boys are going to love this new Lego Man storage unit that we made, so I'm going to put a few little characters on it. But I love that we have some different terrain backgrounds and that the guys can just clip right in. So we have a little chef. Oh, and then this guy can go on the orange. He's a little pumpkin guy. And all they do is their little legs just fit right in. But this is a great way for them to store all of their little characters. And then we're also gonna have some storage options in this space for them to store all the colored Lego. And then over in this area, I wasn't planning on using this crate system that we already had in Chase's bedroom, but it really is the perfect spot for here. And then he can put a lot of his Lego sets that are pre-made already that he's done out onto this space and always change it around. And then this is a beautiful actual like vintage tea towel that we picked up on our trip to Nova Scotia a few years ago, and it says fishing in the Atlantic, and we just bought our property right beside the Atlantic Ocean, and so I think this is a perfect thing to put in his room. He loves this piece, so I thought I have to hang it in here for him. So overall, this room is coming together really well. I'm still looking for a few pieces of furniture, like the right vintage chairs for the actual table space in here. Want to get the rest of Chase's trim and walls and everything finished, painted fresh white. I have lots of white paint to get that done off camera. Some bookshelves that we already had in his space here, I want to cut them down and make them more of the size for the wall that they're now going to go on in this space. And then we're into Dayton's room. Thank you guys so much for being part of today's video. We're having a blast getting these rooms transformed. I love you. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the next episode.